Hello friends, today we will learn about difference between exception and error. Let's see. So throwable acts as a root for Java exception hierarchy. So throwable class is the root class for exception and error. So exception and error are the child class of the throwable. So let's see the exception. So most of case exception are caused by our program and this is recoverable. For example, our program requirement is to read a data from a remote file locating at Mumbai at runtime. If the Mumbai file is not available, then we will get file not found exception. If the file not found exception occur, then we can provide a local file and rest of the program will be continue normally. So suppose like we have to some program to read a file from Mumbai, but if file is not available, then we will get the file not found exception. So how to handle this exception? We will give the local file rest of local file for reading and give the reading purpose, and the program will be continue normally. Let's see how it's right. So in try block read data from remote file location at Mumbai. If file not found exception occur, we will write the code in catch block where we read the local file and the rest of program work as a normally. Let's see the error. So most of the time error are not caused by our program. These are due to the lack of system resource. So system resource and error are non-recoverable. Example, if the out of memory error occurs, being a programmer, we can't do anything at the programmer and the program will be terminate abnormally. So what happened if the out of memory will occur? So program will be terminate abnormally. So system admin and server admin is responsible for to increase the heap memory. So this is the main difference of exception and error. Thank you friends.